it only came in the regular white wrapper. We've got patterns for the very first time. In fact, we've got a choice of plaid or polka dots, $17.41. These are the very best friend to you if you've got things you need to keep cold over the summer. Lisa Brady is here to tell us all about them. Welcome back.
How are you?
I'm great. Nice to see you.
Happy
Do you need to be on this side, my dear?
Yes. No, it doesn't matter. Either way's fine.
Now, these are amazing because we've had these on before, but we've never had the cool designs before today.
Exactly. People ask for them.
And before we get to the designs, though, let's educate everybody about what these are in case folks didn't see the earlier set that was in the plain white.
Yep, okay. Let's do that. Okay, so this is what you get at home, okay? I'm going to show you in this here. You get 5 of the large and you get 10 of the medium. Okay. And as you said, you get to choose between the polka dot or the plaid, but you get a total of 15 sheets in each pack. Okay. This is what they look like frozen, all stacked up. But this is the beautiful thing about it. So this is how you get it at home. It's paper thin, so it's not going to take up a lot of room.
When you get this, it's flat.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, how do we activate it?
Okay, there's a non-toxic polymer gel inside that's, once you put water on it, within like a minute, it's going to puff up just like this. So you can see how it's puffy. This one is not frozen. This has only been activated. Then what you're going to do is pat it dry.
See here, it's all squishy. Okay.
So pat it dry, put it in the freezer. And David, in less than 2 hours, this is what you're going to have, a frozen sheet.
But here's the best part. Let's say you're taking frozen burgers to the park for the barbecue this afternoon. You take your frozen burgers and you close them up in here because this is flexible. See?
Yeah.
This is what's so cool about it. So if I want to take and put my things inside, I can do that. Want to keep my sandwich nice and cold? Just fold it up and pop it into my cooler. Yep. It's not going to turn my sandwich sopping wet because these are not ice cubes.
Right, exactly. That's the thing with ice. It's a wet, drippy mess. But also, David, you can cut it to any size you want. So that's the beauty of it. And it still stays flexible even when it's frozen because it's individual cells.
Here's a question for you, Lisa. Okay. Once I've activated this, I've frozen it, I use it, and it thaws out. Do I have to throw it away?
No, it's reusable. Put it back in your freezer and freeze it again and use it over and over.
Over and over and over. Now, the 2 choices you have today, pardon me, is the one is the polka dots. Right. And it's a brown background with pink polka dots. Yep. Or this beautiful red, green, and blue plaid.
Isn't it fun?
So you may choose whichever you like, and you get the great big pack, 15 of them for $17.41, and you reuse them over and over and over again.
Awesome?
Let's show everybody how to use it.
Let's go down here. I want to show you in the coolers down here, David, how this is what we did. Okay, we have 3 coolers. This first cooler has ice in it. Ice is, it's great to make things cold, but guess what happens? It makes things wet and soggy. It's a wet, drippy mess. Over here in this far cooler, we have big, bulky gel packs, so therefore you can't fit as much in there. They take up way too much room.
And they also take up way too much room in your freezer at home before you use them.
And they're heavy, too. Here, this is the ThermaFreeze cooler. What we've done is, and as you can see here, everything, because you can cut it to size, it's individual. You can put it and customize it around anything you want.
One thing I want to show you also, take a look at our 2 temperature probes down here, guys. This probe on this side is in the cooler with these kinds of packs, okay?
With the gel packs,
So, this one is reading
60 degrees.
60 degrees, okay?
And now this one, because we've got it set at 40, it's below 40 degrees. So it goes to low because it's like, wait a minute, we're already below that.
Look at that. So now this one inside has your little freezer packs. We pop those inside, and now my yogurts get wrapped up and are individually insulated. Or my cans of soda, or my bottles of water. Or you put your crackers in here, and you just want to keep them nice and kind of cool, but you don't want them sopping wet in a big ice water bath. You're not going to have that because this doesn't turn into ice water. This just keeps everything frosty cold inside. $17.41. Now, here's another cool idea. Take the bigger ones and wrap them around your big juice bottles. Here's a big thing of cranberry juice or apple juice for the kids. You're going to take it to the park. How many of you take a baby bag to an amusement park because you got a toddler, right?
Exactly, and you got to keep
You would never take a bag of ice in your baby bag.
Absolutely not.
No, you would put one of these inside to keep maybe the juice box cold. Or to keep all the things that you're going to be having for your kids. Or maybe you got it in the back of the car because you're going to take a family vacation and everybody's driving for 4 or 5 hours.
Oh, exactly. And I have a pack to show you. I mean, that's the beauty of this, okay? It's going to keep things nice and cold. And again, you're going to pack it in so that you don't have to worry because you can cut it to size. You're going to fit that in. Look, I'm going to put one on top. And David, if I wanted to use one of these gel packs in here, there's no way. You might as well take your entire lunch out for it to fit. It's crazy.
I love what you did right here, and I know we're close on time, so I'm rushing a little bit. Take a look inside the picnic basket. Cheeses, meats, wine bottles for nice, crisp summer white wine. All of these things. And then if I want to keep the whole shooting match cold, I take a great big one and just put it on top like a little blanket.
Isn't that awesome?
And it's a blanket of cold is what it is. Follow me over here and I'll show you patterns one more time because we're very busy on the phone lines. Over 2,000 of these are gone now.
Awesome.
We've got it for you in polka dots. We have it for you in plaids. Now, how many of each do I get, Lisa?
You're going to get 10 of the medium, and you're going to get 5 of the large. Yep. So you're going to get 5 of these.
5 large
and 10 medium. And again, cut them. Cut them to size.
Yeah,
any size you want. Yeah.
You know what? You could wrap your, if you've got like some liquid medicine for your kids, and you got to keep it in the cooler before when you go to the pool, maybe eardrops or something, I don't know.
An EpiPen maybe, the pink medicine if you're traveling, you got to keep that cool.
There you go. This is what it's all about. Wonderful, really innovative item, just in time for the warm weather. And I don't know about you, but this is one of the hottest Memorial Day weekends I remember on record. If this is any indication of what summer's going to be, you need your ThermaFreeze. Set of 15 of these reusable ice sheets. Lisa Brady, you're a rock star. Thank you, Dolly.
Thank you.